What is up everyone, it's Jira Bro back with another video. I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually download the Jira Data Center for Windows. Much easier to configure and to set up than it was actually in the Linux, because well, in Linux you have to use the commands. In Windows it's all about the clicks. Anyways, you just need to be on this site right here. My recommendation is to go for the long-term support release, because the latest versions might have some bugs in there still, so some of the functionalities might not work like in 100% yet. But if you would like to actually see what is new in the version 10, you can go right ahead and do it. Once you install your launcher, so it's gonna look like this, and it's gonna go through the installation wizard. Alright, so the very first thing that you're gonna be encountering is this right here, that might say you do not have the administrator rights to this machine, and as such some installation options will not be available. And I want to make sure that I want to continue, and you want to use the default settings. You actually ignore this as well. Now it's gonna say, so since I did some previous installations right here, you might not have any of these. So what I'm going to be doing in here, I'm just gonna say Jira software, and I'm going to say DC. So that is going to skip the whole program group problem, and it's going to say this is going to be the installation directory, and also this is going to be the port that you're going to be using in order to install. Now it's going to be installing. I'm just going to pause the video, and I'm going to get back to you once it's finished. Alright guys, I'm back. Now the installation is complete. You just want to make sure that you're gonna launch, and when you're launching, it's gonna run your command prompt with the Tomcat, which is basically the web server that is going to be used to run your Jira locally. So this is what you're going to have. And right now, still nothing there. But as you can see, after like a few seconds, it's just gonna ready everything up, and basically there we go. So what we do here is, I want to say, you know what, I want to set this up for myself. I want to generate a new license in here. You can type in your email address and everything the rest, and basically that is it. That is the whole installation process for your Jira. Yeah, that is everything, and thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.